My review of the Intelitopia Complete Professional Knife Sharpening Stone Kit. Okay, this kit is anything but professional. It has a fake leather strop in it. This is not real leather. It's some kind of naga hide. It's not very expensive. But here it states on Amazon that it has using the leather strop made of genuine cowhide leather to polish knife and remove. Okay, the leather strop is not genuine cowhide. I've tried to post negative reviews, and this has a 4.6 positive review rating. I've tried to post negative reviews, and all of my reviews come back. We investigated your concerns about the product authenticity, and the information we have indicates the product you received was authentic. As a result, we removed the review you submitted. Okay, this ensures that customer reviews remain as accurate as possible for the benefit of future customers. Okay, they're lying, but every time I try to tell the truth, they call me a liar. This compromises Amazon's integrity. This product is receiving negative reviews that they're not posting. So, yeah. Yeah. They send me this. Even I've posted close to 10 times, tried to post negative reviews on this, and every time it comes back, even if though I have nothing to do, I've said nothing about the authenticity of the product, they still send me this email and eliminate my review. So this company is fighting hard against negative reviews unethically because they're lying to do it and compromising Amazon's integrity, meaning that their reviews and their rating system has been compromised, and you might have products that should have been rated at much lower. This was a bestseller according to them, at much lower ratings, and wouldn't sell as many, except for the company and Amazon's fighting the negative reviews. Yeah, this is a real problem with Amazon. So anyway, that's my review of Amazon and the Intelitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Stone Set. Amazon's been compromised. The review system has been compromised. This is not a good sharpening system. It's certainly not a professional system. I wouldn't call it professional. It has a fake leather strop in it. It says it's real genuine cowhide. It's just a scam deal on Amazon. This is what Amazon has come to now. And their review system is no longer, what's the word? It's no longer reliable. It's been compromised. Thanks for watching.